find that the most fulfilling part is the whole process of taking nothing and then creating something that is just out of thin air, being able to just create anything. It's incredible. My favorite part about learning in my program has been the actual learning itself. All these different projects that we work on, it's really just a matter of putting our skills to use and pushing ourselves. We get to have hands-on with all these different machines, from CNC machines to some manual lathes. So actually being able to get the hands-on with a lot of these tools and equipment that we're going to be using, it's very exciting, very fun. I feel that LWTech is helping to prepare me by building up my confidence. Going into a new field, you're kind of scared about messing up or not knowing what to do. And here at LWTech, rather than always being stuck to looking at a book or saying, do this, do that, it's more of tasks of like, try doing this, try, and encouraging growth and encouraging to push myself and learn. A lot of us, once we get out of high school, don't know what we want to do as far as a career. We don't know what we want to go to school for. Not only am I learning a new career with machining, it's also teaching me new skills as far as networking, as far as interaction with other fields, as far as like how coming together with all different sections of the school, many things could be achieved. So it's been by far incredible.
The School of Engineering and Manufacturing at LWTech is perfect for anybody who loves to make. Mechanical design technology students at LWTech learn to create and draft complex 3D models and schematics necessary for high-demand jobs. The engineering transfer programs at LWTech help prepare students for the types of engineering jobs that are not only here in the Seattle area, but across the country, including bioengineering and chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, or even aerospace engineering.
There's so many doors that have been open for me. Just the other week, we went over to a manufacturer that makes part of the engines for the F-35 fighter jet, and we have people coming in from Boeing who are telling us all about the different opportunities we can have just as entry-level machinists. The possibilities are literally endless. Lake Washington has been able to show me that I have an infinite amount of potential within me. And within the few months that I've been here, it's opened my eyes to different possibilities. I'm excited to get to school every day. I'm excited to wake up early and be there on time every day. Just being able to spend every time in class means that I'm working more towards having a fulfilling future for myself. And for that, to me, that's worth far beyond tuition, spending some time in books. It's being able to help me find a job, a career, and a passion that I want to spend the rest of my life working towards.